Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a template in LibreOffice Impress. Now we have here the two options, so let's go and start with the first one. So the first one is recommended. So open the template manager. So right here to the file in the top menu, then select templates right here and then manage templates. Like so, this window will pop up. So it's a little bit small, but it works. Now in the dialog box, click the import button. So like here in this dialog box, click import button. Select category, so where you would like to. So let's go with my templates. And you will navigate to your template which you downloaded. So probably in downloads folder, and then you find it, just click open and you will have your template right in this category. So if you choose my templates, you will have inside of your my templates right here. Okay, now the second method is basically that we will install as an extension. So if we go to the tools, then extension manager. So we need to find extension manager. Okay, so now that this window pop up, so extension, go here to the button add, and now you will find your extension right here. Click on it and then open and install. When that's done, just restart LibreOffice to ensure the template is active. Now the bonus step is you can also create your own presentation. Just a moment to pop up like that, for example, and you can save it now. So go to File, Templates, and then we can do Save as Template. Now I will select the category, so my templates, and I will go with school and save it. You can also set this as a default if you want. But now if we go here to the Save Manage Templates, now you see that we have this template right over here. So if I go right here, Templates, Manage Template, now I can open up a new one like that. So I hope this video helped you out how you can add template in LibreOffice Impress. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.